Hi, I am V. Padma, Associate Professor, IT Department, GRIT. Now I am going to teach you 4 to 32-bit microcontrollers. Every application required right amount of functionality with the microcontroller. Microcontroller is not enough to complete one application. We need to use additional devices like A to D converters, counter arrays, watchdog timers, serial data with synchronous and asynchronous, pulse width modulation, phase lock loops, external bus controllers. These are the additional devices we require to complete an application. Now I will tell what is these additional devices functionality. Let me explain about A to D converters. Generally, when we are using microcontrollers are digital devices. They cannot read analog data. Example, you connected sensors. Sensors can give the analog data, but microcontroller cannot read this analog data. So, sensors data can be fed to A to D converter. A to D converter will convert that analog data into digital, and that converted digital data is given to the microcontroller. This is the usage of A to D converter. Next additional device is counter arrays. It works like a multiple counters arranged in sequential manner. And third part is watchdog timer. Using watchdog timer, you can restart the system whenever some abnormalities occurred. Next topic is serial communication. USART, UART, these are the different ICs which are used in serial communication. USART full form is Universal Synchronous Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. UART is Universal Asynchronous Receiver and Transmitter. These are the ICs which are used in serial communication. Next part is pulse width modulation. These pulse width modulation devices are used to convert the messages into pulses. And next one is phase lock loops, PLLs. These are used to match the output pulses with the input pulse phases. You know very well, all signals are having positive phase and negative phase. And last one is external bus controller. Whenever microcontroller is attached with the external devices, we need to use external bus controller to work with the external devices. Now we will see the 4-bit microcontroller. We have different types of microcontroller and with different sizes also. Now we are going to see 4-bit microcontroller. It is a small microcontroller and it works with 4-bit data. So here, in which type of applications we can use 4-bit microcontroller? You can utilize this 4-bit microcontroller with LEDs and LCDs. LCDs, alphanumeric LCDs, nothing but they can display the numbers as well as characters. And we can also use this type of microcontroller in portable battery chargers. One of the 4-bit microcontroller example is Renesas M3450. This is the IC number and it has 20 pins in DIP fashion. DIP nothing but dual in package. These 20 pins are arranged in two sides, left side and right side. That's why it is called dual in package. And what are the characteristics of this 4-bit microcontroller? It has RAM size of 256 bytes, ROM 4K, IO pins, 14 IO pins are available, and it can support A to D converter as well as watchdog timer. Next type of microcontroller is 8-bit microcontroller. These microcontrollers are very famous. Nowadays also we are completing so many applications with the help of 8-bit microcontrollers. The data word size is 1 byte, nothing but 8 bits. So these microcontrollers are very popular and internal memory also available with the least cost. Here 44 manufacturers, nothing but 44 companies are producing different versions of 8-bit microcontroller. So here these microcontrollers can work with high-level languages to do the programs. Just take one example. Intel 8051 microcontroller. What are the characteristics of 8051? RAM. Internal RAM size is 128 bytes. Internal ROM size is 4K. It has 2 counters. It can support UART, nothing but serial communication with the help of IC. So here IO pins, 32 IO pins are available with the 8051 microcontroller. Different companies are providing 8-bit microcontroller. Here Microchip, Motorola, Geelong, these are the different companies are producing 8-bit microcontroller. Next, coming to the next type of microcontroller, 16-bit microcontrollers. 16-bit microcontrollers are using in so many applications like disk drives, modems, printers, scanners, applications which are using pattern recognition, automotive and servo motors. These are the different applications are utilizing 16-bit microcontroller. With 16-bit microcontroller, memory size is more and speed of the microcontroller is also more. 16-bit microcontroller can utilize high-level language like C language to do the programs. Next, here we have an example of 16-bit microcontroller. Motorola 68HC16Z3. This is the IC number of 16-bit microcontroller. It has 144 pins in the form of LQFP, nothing but low profile quad flat package. Quad flat package, nothing but pins are arranged in 4 sides. So that is called quad flat package. Look at this diagram. It is a IC and these pins are arranged in 4 sides. So what are the characteristics of this Motorola 16-bit microcontroller? First one is RAM. 4K size of RAM is available. 8K size of ROM is available. 2 counters are there. 24 IO pins are available and it can also support counter array, UART, A2D converter and watchdog timer. Next microcontroller is 32-bit microcontroller. So here we have different applications which are using 32-bit microcontroller. First one is notebook computer. Second one PDA, personal digital assistant. GPS, global positioning system. Automotive control, communication networks, robotics, video games, digital cameras, cell phones. These are the different applications are using 32-bit microcontrollers. Now we will see one example of 32-bit microcontroller. Sharp LH79520. This is the microcontroller and having 176 pins with LQFP package. So what are the characteristics of this 32-bit microcontroller? RAM size is 32K and it is having 4 counters, 64 IO pins and it can also support color LCD controller and it is using 3 UARTs for serial communication. Then pulse width modulation devices also used to convert the message into pulse and it can have watchdog timer also. Next, real-time clock, PLL, phase lock loops also supported by this microcontroller and it is also supporting DMA, direct memory access. Students, this is about 4 to 32-bit microcontrollers. Here we have so many varieties of microcontroller like 4-bit, 8-bit, 32-bit and 16-bit microcontrollers.